Good morning, student. Today we will study class 6th, chapter number 9, linear equation in one variable. Your chapter number 9 is linear equation in one variable. First of all, what you have to do in arithmetic, we usually come across the statement of the following type. When we are solving the arithmetic progression, the statements are 16 plus 5 equals to 20. These all. What is the linear equation in one variable? First of all, we have to know about the chapter. What is the meaning of chapter? Know us. The equation. What is the full meaning of equation? Equation equals to a statement of equality. A statement of equality which involves one or more variable is called an equation. Suppose that example is x plus 7 equals to 15. X plus 7 equals to 15. This is your equation. ये आपकी equation कहलाएगी. And if I am writing this in standard form, it is a number x increased by 7 is 15. जो x नंबर है वो इंक्रीज कर रहा है 7 से और इक्वल टू है 15 के. दिस इज नोन एज योर equation. After that, what is linear equation? An equation in which the highest power of variable involved is 1 is called linear. और linear equation जो है हमारी, the linear equation highest power 1 is involved. जो 1 रहेगी वो हमारी इन्वॉल्व रहेगी. आफ्टर दैट let's come to exercise of this chapter. Exercise 9a. Okay, 9a. The first question is given. Write each of the following statement as an equation. You have to write each of the following statement as an equation. The first statement is given here. 5 times a number equals 40. 5 times a number equals 40. The answer would be let the number be x. Suppose that we have taken a number x. So now it is given here 5 times. So 5x equals to 40. This is your answer. 5x equals to 40. This is your answer. The statement is given here and you have to change the statement in the equation form. Now let's see the second question. It is given here. A number increased by 8 equals 15. A number increased by 8 equals 15. A number increased by 8 equals 15. So same you have to do. Let the number be x. Suppose that we have taken a number x now. X plus 8 equals to 15. This is your equation because it is given here कि जो नंबर है हमारा a number increased by 8 equals to 15. The number is increasing by 8 and we have taken a number x. हमने यहाँ पे नंबर x लिया है. So x plus अब increase है, if it is increasing then we will use plus sign, and if it is decreasing then we will use minus sign. X plus 8 equals to 15 will your answer. Now the second question is 25 exceeds a number by 7. 25 exceed by number 25 exceeds a number by 7. 25 exceed a number by 7. So let the number be x. We have taken a number x. Now when 25 exceed by when 25 exceed, अब 25 exceed हो रहा है नंबर से, so 25 minus x equals to 7. This is your equation. 25 exceed हो रहा है इस नंबर से, that's why we have used here minus sign. This is your answer. Exercise 9A question number 1 we have completed, and now I am mentioning the homework. In this exercise, homework is your question number 6 to 10. Question number 1 part 6 to 10 you have to do. So no, it is not 6, 4 to 10. Now let's come to second question. The second question is write statement for each of the given equation. जो आपको इक्वेशन दे रखी है आपको उसमें स्टेटमेंट लिखनी है. You have to write the statement here. The question is given x minus 7. Question number second, x minus 7 equals to 14. You have to write the equation here. So x minus 7 equals to 14. So x minus 7 equals to 14. 7 less than number x equals to 14. 7 less than a number x equals to 14. Okay, equals to 14. This is your answer. You have to write the statement here, and the equation is given to you. Now in this question number second part, second to 6th you have to do. Now let's come to question number third. Question number third is given here. Verify the substitution that the root of 3x minus 5 equals to 7 is x equals to 4. In this question it is given you have to find the root of 3x minus 5 equals to 7 is x equals to 4. Now substituting x equals to 4 in the given equation, what you have to do, substituting x equals to 4 in given equation. Now 3x minus 5 equals to 7 it is given here. Instead of x अब हम x की जगह में 4 लगाएंगे. 3 into 4 minus 5 equals to 7. We are solving this LHS. It means left hand side. 3 4s are 12 minus 5 equals to 7. This part is your LHS and this part is your RHS. 12 minus 5, 7 equals to 7 means LHS equals to RHS. So 4 is the root of your given equation 3x minus 5 equals to 7. Now in this you have to do Question number 2nd to 5th. Question number 3rd part 2nd to 5th. You have to do it. Okay. We will discuss the next question in our next class. Thank you and have a nice day.